Welcome to the F&S experience. I'm Nick.
I'm Hudson. I'm Ashton.
Kaden.
Today we're going to be unboxing the BattleBox Pro Plus mission number 105.
We don't even know what's in it.
$100 voucher inside. Some nice Wiley X sunglasses.
I wanted.
Our mission 105 brief tells you a little bit about all the different items.
I want to see the
Wait,
voucher.
let me see.
Alright, so first
Yeah, it
is
does.
an Absorbit Sweat Electronics Rescue Pouch.
Wait. This
It's a
is
figure 9 clip.
figure 9. Okay.
Leave it in there and show it to them.
It's a fire flute, premium throw rod fire starter with and whistle.
Wait, fire
You can
starter.
burn stuff with it.
Yeah, the premium ferro rod, fire starter, and whistle. What is it, Ashton?
This is.
It's an emergency water filter from Delta. Yeah.
It's adjustable
There's
size.
a thing right there.
Storage for your truck bed or a hitch rack.
Like a.
And it's a bag that keeps your stomach dry.
It's a dry bag. Dry bag.
What's that?
Soap.
Soap.
It's Beast Wash, Rugged Beast Bar.
Soap in it.
Edible.
No, just come see if it smells good. Smell good?
Mm-hmm. Show them it.
Smell good?
Hey. Show them it.
Subscribe to the Milk Gamer.
I think I.
The final item for the Pro Plus box,
Glock 18.
Condor Tool and Knife.
Oh, I want a knife.
Handcrafted in El Salvador by people who care.
Wait, that says you.